So we're gonna try out some of the new whitening trays. Matt, how's it going, man?
It's going.
Here's what they are, and this is what it all entails. Accelerator rinse, then you put those trays in your mouth, accelerator rinse, trays again, and then whitening rinse for 30 seconds, 25 minutes, 30 seconds, 25 minutes, 30 seconds, and then you're supposed to have amazingly white teeth. The one that we decided to go with is the 1 hour intense whitening kit. Oh. The dentist office supposed to have a taste. That's what it would taste like. The accelerator rinse. These are sticky, much stickier than I thought they were gonna be. These are supposed to form fit to your teeth, 25 minutes. I feel like you're putting in a mouth guard. Get ready to go play some sports. Here's what it looks like. I mean, so far, I'm impressed with the professional kind of, I mean, this is only $12 at Target. All right, so we've reached about the 25-minute mark where we take these bad boys out.
They're definitely working. My teeth are a little sensitive, but...
Yeah, I just got a sharp pain, just nerve pain, just right through my...
So right away, 1 out of 2 people experience sharp pain in their teeth.
It's kind of almost like a wax. All right, halfway through. Nice, you know, they got a nice gloss to them now for round 1. Time to use the accelerator rinse for another 30 seconds. Geez, does my mouth feel clean though? Oh, it definitely leaves a nice aftertaste there, huh? And the last thing we gotta do is we got the whitening rinse for 30 seconds, and then they're supposed to have beautiful white teeth. I mean, I don't know. I don't remember what my teeth looked like before, but there's my teeth. Because you haven't done any crest, you haven't done like any whitening strip kind of things ever.
No, that's my first time.
And see, I do the regular strips.
That was an intense, like...
$12 to just get a little bit whitening, little whitening boost.
Yeah.
I would say that I did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Not like that white. I honestly don't know what a white tooth is actually supposed to look like. Is it supposed to look like a white piece of paper? There it is. White teeth. Zing.